In this video, I'll show you how to create primitive CAD objects using implicit modeling technique. First, you click on the edit menu, click on grid setting. I'm going to enter a value of 96, which will create a grid of 96 by 96 by 96. The grid spacing value for the time being is a fixed value. It will not change. Click on the initialize button. It will create a 3D grid. To start the modeling process, first you need to go to the module menu. Click on primitive. Two additional menus activated. One is primitive and the other is clear primitive. By clicking on the primitive menu, you can select the primitive CAD objects you wish to create. Clicking on the clear primitive menu, you can clear the primitive data and entire grid itself. You can start creating objects by selecting the primitives menu, and you can select any of these primitive objects in order to create it. I'm going to select cylinder with axis and center. It will create a cylinder and you can rotate it. You can change the radius parameter. You can change the axial dimension. If you click on retain, it will permanently add to the data buffer. If you click undo, it will erase the data. Once you click on the retain button or undo button, then you should click on continue button in order to proceed. Then I am going to select cylinder with a cylinder disk. It will create a disk. Click on continue in order to proceed the modeling process. Change the dimension, axial dimension, radial dimension, and the thickness. Click on undo. Then go to cuboid parameters. Click on continue. You can see a cuboid is generated. You can rotate it in 3 axes. You can change the dimension in different axes. Click on undo, then go to cuboid shell parameter. It will create a shell. Click on continue and change the parameters, rotate it to your favorable orientation. Click on undo, then go to sphere. It will create a solid sphere. Click on continue. You can change the size of the sphere by changing the radius parameter. Click undo, then go to sphere shell parameter. Click on continue. Here you can create a sphere with radius and wall thickness. In order to visualize the shell, you can zoom in and hide the points. You can rotate it. So this is the sphere shell parameter function. It will create a spherical shell. Then go to sphere shell parameters, undo this. Go to the torus parameter. Click on continue. It will create a torus. In order to pause the rotation, click on the rotate again. Come back to the torus parameter. Change the value. Change the circle radius. Change the torus radius. You can rotate it. And the same function of translation. Click on undo. Then go to the cone parameter. Click on continue. You can change the cone's base radius and cone height. You can rotate it. You can translate. If you wish to export the CAD object, click on retain, then go to file, export data, click on primitive, then click on this export primitive button. It will export the data in OBJ format and you can see the result in results modeling shape.obj, and you can use this OBJ file to import the object in another software like Blender or MeshLab.